Hello everyone. So now I'm going to share next assignment to import the link various films tables and create a film report. So for that I am provided by these three tables: genres, films, directors, and I have to do the relationship in that tables. Okay. So let's move towards the Power BI desktop, and here we have to go in the table. So there are three tables: um, the directories, films, and the genres. Okay, so we need to do the relationship among them. So I have did this. So we need to connect the this genre ID to this genre ID. So this is between genre ID and genre ID. So this is the one to many relationship. Okay, and then also director ID to director ID number. Okay. So I have did this relationship among these tables, and then what I need to do is I need to rename this variable names as shown in this table. So the previously now this is like that, and then this is like that. Like DOB is changed to date of birth, full name is changed to director name, and gender is changed to gender only. It's not changed. Okay, so we need to change this one also. Release date as Oscars. Oh, sorry, the runtime minutes as Oscars, and so I have did that all. So how to rename this? We can simply go here in the report, and then we can rename this from here also. So here is the option of rename. We can change this by rename. Okay, and then what I need to do is I need to create a table listing out the directors. Okay, so I have did that. You can see I have did this table. So for this table, I have take the visualization table from this visualization pane, and then I have take these two variables: director name and the gender. Okay, and then this is the table. This is the heading. This is the title. I have given this to this table by using this format pin. Okay, as I shown in the previous video. And then second one is the as per my problem statement, I need to create these two tables again. Okay, so I need to use the format painter tool to copy the formatting for one visual to another. Okay, so I need to take by format painter. So we have to click here and then select format painter, then we have to paste it here. So in this way we can we can do the same visual to the other side. So as like this I have did, and this is the same title, heading, same background color is there, and this is the genres. Okay, I have to show there. Then next is I have to what I have to create another table, create a third table to list out the films made by the director or genres that you have selected. Okay, so we have to show the films you should see when you click on Akira. So if I click on this Akira Kurosawa director name, then I need to see this data set. Okay, this data. Okay, so I have did this also, created a table, taken the fields from this fields pane, the director name and the title and the genres. So if I have to if I click on this, then I only see the data of, sorry, I if I click on any name in the directors, so I have to click on this Akira, so I can see this data. Means for particular director name, here I can see the genres and the titles. Okay, so if you need to see any other as per director name, we can see likewise. So this is all about my this assignment. Thanks for watching my video.